Starting around 12 October 2023, Bitcoin Money explicitly is exchanging at $212.82 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. BCH has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $4,156,193,775, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $105,564,024, which basically is very critical. This really makes Bitcoin Money, BCH, positioning at 17 in the digital currency market, which essentially is genuinely huge. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Bitcoin Money cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Bitcoin Money essentially be extremely worth in 2023, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking? Is Bitcoin Money a truly wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is genuinely huge? Will BCH cost by and large outperform its unsurpassed sort of high in an unpretentious manner? These truly are our Bitcoin Money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin Money estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost truly is supposed to commonly cross a by and large normal value level of $259.46, the normal sort of least value worth of Bitcoin Money, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to generally be $248.26 in a huge manner. Besides, BCH can sort of arrive at a most extreme value level of $285.43, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Bitcoin Money cost for the most part is gauged to arrive at in a real sense, the least cost of $214.92, or so they by and large thought. The BCH cost could truly arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $241.78, with the very normal expected cost around $235.06, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin Money cost really is figured to generally arrive at a practically the least cost of $228.57 in a sort of huge manner. The BCH cost could really arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $253.53, with the Bitcoin Money, BCH, value figure October 2023. The Bitcoin Money, BCH, cost for October 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at least worth of $235.61, while the extremely greatest determined cost truly is around $263.12, so besides BCH can in a real sense arrive at the most extreme value level of $285.43. The typical cost for BCH fundamentally is somewhat anticipated to in a real sense reach $244.56 in October 2023, exhibiting how Bitcoin Money, BCH, value conjecture October 2023. The Bitcoin Money, BCH, cost for October 2023 may essentially arrive at a very least worth of $235.61, while the truly greatest gauge cost really is around $263.12. So besides BCH can essentially arrive at an essentially most extreme value level of $285.43, which is very huge. Bitcoin Money value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for Bitcoin Money could especially stretch around $275.35, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 is $242.94 with a typical cost of $251.90, extremely further appearance how these especially are our Bitcoin Money cost expectations for BCH's future in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin Money value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the most extreme cost for Bitcoin Money could especially stretch around $285.43, or so they really thought. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 generally is $248.26 with an extremely normal cost of $259.46, showing how also BCH can in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $285.43 in a fundamentally significant manner. Bitcoin money kind of past value examination in the essentially beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been in every way that really matters, diminished by 0.7% in its truly current worth, or so they generally thought. Assuming we in every practical sense think about the by and large current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap generally is likewise down, exhibiting that these especially are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, which really is very critical. Bitcoin money sort of is confronting a quite tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, so most certainly is Bitcoin money a by and large wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023 in an extremely significant manner. The BCH especially is down to nearly 7.45% over the most recent 7 days, showing the way that the BCH cost could explicitly arrive at a very greatest cost of $241.78, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $235.06, by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for sort of past truly couple of days. The coin could explicitly serious areas of strength for have yet, we don't in every practical sense feel that it would a productive resource in extremely present moment, exhibiting that Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation September 2023, concerning September 2023. Bitcoin money cost generally is figured to by and large arrive at a very the most reduced cost of $228.57 in a really significant manner. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the fundamentally current cost and essentially beyond 30 days cost history, it sort of is seen that Bitcoin money basically has expanded 36.739% in its worth in a significant manner. The very normal in every practical sense, least cost for the month explicitly is $130.31, while kind of most extreme kind of normal cost really was $134.63, which is very huge. This suggests that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to in every practical sense, your arrangement of coins for especially long haul in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change explicitly is around 38.07%, and the cost most certainly circled from a kind of least truly normal cost of $125.38 to in every practical sense, greatest pretty normal cost of $134.83 in the by and large beyond 90 days. Showing that starting around 12 October 2023 Bitcoin money certainly is exchanging at $212.82 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which is very huge. And fundamentally most recent 4 months Bitcoin money really has shown a developing pattern, or so they by and large thought. Subsequently, we generally imagine that comparative pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period, showing how Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation September 2023, concerning September 2023, Bitcoin money cost essentially is figured to explicitly